Hi everyone, I'm Christa, teacher of crystal healing classes as well as holistic healer, and welcome to my video talking about the healing benefits of ruby zoisite gemstone. Now this is a beautiful gemstone to have in your crystal collection. It's quite easy to find this one, and this is a combination that occurs together, ruby and zoisite growing together and formed in this gemstone. So I would love to show you some pieces that I have. So I have a little piece here which is a really good example of ruby zoisite. Okay, so here we have the pink ruby, okay, on one side, and if I turn it over, you can see the green zoisite here on the other side. Also, I have a beautiful wand here of ruby zoisite. So here we have some pink ruby in this side here. So you can see all along here, we have some more over here, and then more of the zoisite on the other side. So I have a beautiful wand. And then I also have a skull, and we have beautiful zoisite here, and then we have this stripe of ruby going across the face here, and then the ruby in the smile. So I really love this gemstone so much. This gemstone represents fertility and growth. So if there's anything that you would like to put energy into, your goals, your dreams, and your desires, it can help you to grow that, manifest it, also achieve your goals in a really good way. Also, this ruby zoisite helps to heal the heart chakras and the root chakra. The zoisite works on the heart chakra, the ruby working on healing the root chakra. And the zoisite is really good to heal emotional wounds. So sometimes we carry emotional wounds and we carry that in our heart chakra. So the zoisite helps to clear out those old wounds, past traumas, heartache, sadness, grief, depression, clearing that out to revitalize and rejuvenate the heart chakra so that you're holding a brighter energy, being able to hold more joy, love, compassion. Also works on the heart chakra to help you to rise above challenges in life, to heal from those challenges. And the ruby working on the root chakra helps to revitalize you so that you have good vital energy and stamina, to also have a renewed sense of self after feeling weighed down from the challenges in life. So it gives you that good energy. Plus, the ruby gives you the good energy to make good, healthy changes in your life. So if something is not working, that is weighing you down, maybe you're having challenges in your job or challenges with coworkers or your boss. Maybe friendships are weighing you down and you have some challenges there, or love relationships. Maybe you're having some financial challenges. The ruby helps to stimulate you to take good action, boosting motivation to create a good, healthy situation in your life. Maybe that is reorganizing your finances. Maybe that's looking for a new job and getting some good job interviews and landing a new job. Maybe that includes letting go of some friendships, but then creating new friendships that are more healthy for you. So the ruby zoisite together helps to give you the energy to make those healthy changes, and the zoisite to heal the heart chakra so that you can heal from those challenges and move forward in a good way in your life. So rebirthing yourself in that way, healing from challenges. Also, this is a great gemstone that helps to harmonize relationships with other people and strengthens compassion. So if you're having struggles or conflicts that come up that you need to resolve, the ruby zoisite gemstone will help you to hold more compassion, more kindness, being able to find good, healthy solutions when you have conflicts with others, to heal that and to harmonize relationships so that you can move forward and moving on from the past, so that you're not repeating the same relationship patterns over and over again. This is a really great stone that helps to heal depression, chronic fatigue, and adrenal fatigue. So the ruby in here is really good to stimulate healing, to revitalize you, to rejuvenate you when you have been experiencing that. Also really good stone to help heal through grief. So if you have suffered a loss of any kind, the loss of a loved one, loss of a pet, loss of a job, any type of loss, this helps you to process the loss, move through that grief and work through grief. Grief is actually a natural emotion that we experience when we have loss, to be able to work through that grief in a good way and then come out the other side feeling a renewed sense of self and being able to move forward in life in a good way. Also, ruby zoisite is so good to heal and boost vitality after long illnesses, or even if you've had a surgery, to give you a good boost of that vital energy to heal from the illness, to heal from the surgery. And also if you've enduring any kind of hardships in life, if you've had to endure a long project that might be stealing your energy and you've been working on that for months, this will also help you to heal from that, revitalize you, and especially in cases of burnout, any kind of burnout, physical burnout if you've had a long illness, emotional, mental burnout can also go with that. Or if you have been working long hours and feel overworked, healing from that type of burnout as well, mental, emotional, and physical burnout. And also the beautiful ruby zoisite helps to open the heart center, to also create deeper states of gratitude, making it a really good gratitude rock. So if you have a daily gratitude practice of being grateful for all of the things that have shown up in your day, that are the beautiful things, the good things, the blessings in your day, you can also work with the ruby zoisite to recognize those blessings, and also really focusing on that beautiful gratitude, which brings more good things into your life and helps you to attract more good things when you are practicing that beautiful gratitude. And when we are in that state of gratitude, then that uplifts our heart energy, our heart chakra. That helps to uplift our spirit, our mind, and our mental attitude to a brighter state. And when we're in that brighter state, we attract better circumstances to ourselves. We attract good people, good opportunities that can nourish our well-being and also nourish our success in life. Also, ruby zoisite is a really good stone to help you to letting go of the past and laying to rest what doesn't serve you, and also listening to your heart's wisdom to create better circumstances. So if friendship is no longer serving you, or your job is no longer serving you, or maybe you want to move and get a new home because maybe your current home environment is not serving you anymore, this stone can help you to release and let go of any attachment, because sometimes we become attached to these things, attached to a friendship because you've been friends with that person for 10 years, or attached to a job that you've had for a long time because it seems kind of comfortable even though you're not completely happy with it. That this stone can help you to release and let go that attachment, lay to rest what is not serving for you, and listen to your heart's wisdom so that you are very clear on what you would like to create, which is better, and helping you to follow your heart's wisdom in that way and to take the good action to create good things for yourself. Okay, so I would like to leave you with one little technique that you can work with ruby zoisite. Okay, so this technique is really good to help revitalize your energy. So taking the stone and closing your eyes, and take a nice deep breath in to center yourself. And exhale fully. And we speak a healing intention to the stone to bring about the healing effect that we would like to achieve with that stone. So please repeat after me. Thank you, ruby zoisite, for helping me to heal from challenges and fatigue, and to uplift my energy to a brighter, lighter, and more vital state. In full faith, so be it. And now take the ruby zoisite and hold it right to your heart center, so right in the center of your chest for heart chakra. And as you breathe deeply, sense, see, and feel that the zoisite, that beautiful green healing light of the zoisite, is flowing into your heart chakra, cleansing out any heaviness from your heart chakra. That can include grief, sadness, anger, anxiety, fears, worries, and just releasing all of that from your heart chakra. And as that beautiful green healing light is flowing from the stone into your heart chakra, it cleanses out all of that heaviness so that your heart chakra is a brilliant green color, shining and sparkling with vital energy, uplifting your heart to a nice, bright vibration so that you are bright emotionally, mentally, and physically, filling with love and joyful energy, and also strengthening that beautiful gratitude in your heart. And now, as you breathe, sense, see, and feel all of that beautiful red healing light from the ruby flowing down into your root chakra right at the area of the pelvis. Sense, see, and feel your root chakra just like a sponge, soaking up all of that beautiful red healing energy, strengthening and revitalizing your root chakra, rejuvenating your root chakra to strengthen your energy levels, vitality, and stamina, so that you are filled with energy, vitality, motivation, and enthusiasm, healing you from heaviness and fatigue and rejuvenating you completely. So just take another moment just to absorb all of that beautiful healing energy from the stone, refreshing you, rejuvenating you, and revitalizing you completely at all levels of your being, your physical energy and stamina, restoring emotional brightness and positive mental attitude. And then just taking one more nice deep breath in and exhale, and then slowly opening your eyes. Okay, so now what you can do is you can carry the stone on your body, in your pocket, or if you have jewelry, a bracelet, earrings, necklace, you can wear that as jewelry and then go about your daily activities. And the stone will continue to radiate that beautiful, vital, rejuvenating energy to you to also keep your energy levels up during the day, and also to help balance your emotional state and your mental state so that you're holding that nice, positive, high vibration. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to go deeper into crystal healing, I do offer live and interactive online crystal healing classes on Zoom, and I run these classes monthly. You can check out my class schedule on my website at learncrystalhealing.com, and I also do healing sessions online through Zoom as well. So if you would like to book a healing session or also look at my other online classes that I offer, you can go to my other website, christalyn.ca. So thank you so much for watching. I would also like to know, do you have ruby zoisite in your crystal collection, and what do you love about it? So please post your comments below. So may you enjoy this rest of this beautiful day. Lots of love, light, and blessings to you, and namaste.